Hi, here's another video. I've got this Samsung washer dryer with a issue. The drum is not turning, yet there's no error code. Let me show you here. You see the drum's stiff. Sounds like it's rubbing on something. And like it says, when you put a wash on, it just doesn't spin and it doesn't throw any error code. All you can hear is the pump. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. Just going to disconnect the mains. And then let me just pop the machine on its side, because I'm going to undo the sump at the bottom where if anything slides through the drum into the tub, it usually ends up at the bottom of the machine inside the sump. So let me just undo the screws for this bottom cover, and I'll just get it out of the way. Okay, this is the sump. I've undone the sump, sorry, the black rubber sump there. As you can see inside the drum, and there's nothing stuck there. Just show you inside the sump itself. Okay, so I'll put that back together because there's no blockage here. And let me just remove this top cover so I can see what's going on up here. Put the lid to one side, and I've just started a spin. Just press start, put it on quick spin, see what happens. And as you can see here, the machine has started to spin. But it's getting stuck, as you can see here. Like I said before, it doesn't show any error code when this happens with a load. See, it's stuck there, but you can hear the pump spinning. You can hear the pump in action. Okay, so I've disconnected from the mains again, and it's still stiff, but fortunately it's a white top so you can see inside. And I've managed to see, let me get a bit of light here, I can see something moving inside here.
What the fuck is that?
That's inside the tub. Something's moving about when I spin the tub. When I spin the drum, sorry. Fortunately, this is a washer dryer. So it's got a outlet at the back, or breather pipe at the back for the dryer. So I'm just going to undo that, just use the back of my head. Just going to undo that hose once I've undone the clip. And what I'm going to do now, get a little closer there, I've got like a pipe cleaner. I'm going to shove that in between the tub and the drum, and then rotate it, and hopefully whatever's in there will catch onto this pipe cleaner, and I should be able to retrieve whatever it is. Shove that inside there. Just inspect it with the light here. Okay, so when I rotate the drum by the stepper motor, hopefully whatever's in there should catch on this pipe cleaner, which is shoved inside. And I've managed to successfully nab something. I'll give you a closer look. See there, I've managed to catch something, some form of clothing. See there. So it's just a matter of getting me long nose pliers in to retrieve it. Got all of it there. Let me just remove this pipe cleaner because I don't need it anymore. Let's pull that out. And grab the pliers on it again. It's a matter of pulling that out. Hope it comes out in one. Okay, quite clearly it's a sock. which managed to seep through the tub, seep into the tub via the drum. And as you can see here, as I spin this stepper motor, it's spinning freely as it wouldn't spin before. And let me just show you here. Let's grab this again and show you this sock. That's what was causing the problem. Item of clothing seeped into the tub, got stuck. Okay, I've put the machine back together. Just got to give it a test. Put it on a quick spin for 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's spinning freely by itself. Let me just forward this, and you can see it's picking up a bit of speed here. Even faster. Let me get a close up. And you can see it seems to be spinning fine now. So that's a successful repair. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.